Hello, kids! Let's sing a November song with fun. Leaves are falling gold and brown, softly swirling to the ground. Wind is whispering crisp and clear, it's the month of cozy cheer. Scarves and mittens snug and tight, little hands feel warm and right. Jump in piles of leaves are high, watch them dance and twirl and fly. Pumpkins glowing on the floor, hot cocoa, we want more. Candles flicker, hearts feel near, sweet November's finally here. Clouds drift low and skies turn gray, birds are flying far away. But laughter fills the chilly air as children play without a care. Boots go splash in puddles wide, happy giggles echo side by side. Rain or shine, we love this fun. November, joy for everyone. November, November, bright and sweet. Every day's a cozy treat. Fires crackle warm and bright, stories shared through every night. Blankets soft